Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Crunchyroll account on TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate your Crunchyroll account on your TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Next, locate the Crunchyroll app on your TV's home screen or App Store. If you don't have the app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is installed, open the Crunchyroll app on your TV. You will see an option to log in or create an account. Choose the login option to proceed. A unique activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Now, take note of this activation code. On your smartphone or computer, open a web browser and go to the Crunchyroll activation page. Enter the activation code from your TV into the designated field on the web page. After entering the code, click on the Activate button. You may need to log in using your Crunchyroll account credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once logged in, the activation process will finalize. Return to your TV, where you should see a confirmation message. Now, you can start enjoying your favorite anime and shows on Crunchyroll. Use the app to browse content and customize your viewing experience. Make sure your TV stays connected to the internet for uninterrupted streaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.